Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are learning how to build new Amsterdam pavilion model. Designed by Dutch architects, Rhino Studio has opened to the public in New York's Battery Park. Let's have a look at the pictures. Very beautiful pavilions. And this is draft. The four wings of the pavilion give it a flower-like form. Have a look at our model. You don't know how to build it at the moment, but if you have a look at this one, you may know how to build the model now, because this one is a geometric one, you see. Remember, if you want to build a dynamic or parametric model, please follow geometric rules, okay? It is very helpful and make your model much easier. Let's open the Rhino file. We can start it from the starting point, find square comment, and input 0, 0, press enter. Now I want it to be 10. I draw my square, but I want it to rotate 45 degrees to this way. And then I want to use this comment, recommend plane. Comment plane is 3 points to draw a plane surface, like this. Be a little bit longer. I use scale 1D, and then draw a line to here. Use string. Delete the line. Okay, and then if you have a look at this part, I need to draw another surface in vertical way. There is another comment named vertical plane. Select my start points. Oh no, turn off center point here, and try to use vertical plane again. Read your comment bar. Start point and end edge. Yeah. This is my vertical wall. Like this. And I turn on my control points. Use this one to turn on the surface. Okay. Oh, and use polar rate. We need to find the center point now. So I turn on my center point and input 4 and 360 degrees cool. Press enter. And then I use arc blend. Should be from here. And this one. Arc blend. Let's select this edge. You have to select this edge, not this one, because we want to draw a line like this. If you choose this one, the line will be like this. So I choose this one, you see? Good. And then create another surface for this one, right? So I need to get a line. The length is this part, not the whole line from here to there. Okay, so I mark a point here. Cool, and use view page to get an edge, and then use split, left click, and choose the point. Press enter to slip our line. Oh, I get my shorter line. And then I can use loft, or you can use this one, sweep tools, or you can have a lot of options like surface from 2, 3, 4 edges, or surface from networks, depends on you. I show you this one. If we choose our 2 views from this side, that will be a great surface. Cool. But if you start your views from this side, let's have a look. You get a mass structure surface because of this edge. It may be it's 3 points with 1 degree straight line, but for this one, if we turn on our control points, you see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 control points with at least 3 degrees, right? Because it's a curved line of 2 degrees. It is not 1 degree. That is the reason why if we choose these 2 lines to be our views, we make a massive surface. But if we choose these lines to be our real width, that will be a perfect surface because both of them are straight lines, right? Press enter, we get our cool surface. Great. Let me delete this. Okay guys, let us review what we learned for this part. We used square, this one, how to draw a square. And then we use this one, 3 points to control plane and vertical plane. And then we trim the surface and sweep 2 views to create another surface here, right? Before that we used common polar ray. Practice guys. Welcome back and let's continue our practice. We have done one set of the surface, right? Now we join them together. Use join, and these 3 parts of surface becomes to 1 now. And we can delete this edge. Select our surface and then we use offside surface. Input 0.3, press enter. And then we create one side of our solid wall. And then we use polar ray again. Turn on your central point. We want to get central point. Check your number of atoms. 4 is great. 3, 6 is great. Press enter. Cool. We make our Amsterdam pavilion model. Practice guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.